Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. So this presentation is to talk about, or check-in actually, is to talk about week 3. Week 3 is about language skills, so grammar, pronouns, nouns, those type of things that you would use in writing. So, I highlight this in the video, but it's not something that you're going to see a lot in a test, but if you know the basics of it, you'll be good to go. You do have also week 3 review, which is due this week, and there's a couple of other really simple tips for improving your grammar, YouTube videos and such that I would recommend you looking at. And the presentation is really long, but it's got a lot of great information in it. There was some confusion. I put this in the announcement page. So I didn't realize when you clicked on the discussion board tab, there was more discussion boards than what I thought was on there. And I wanted to let you know the only discussion boards you'll need to do is located in each week. So this one's going to be optional because you get extra, of course, so don't worry about that. In relation to the confusion with the discussion boards, I apologize, but I'm glad we clarified it. So the only thing that's going to normally be due is if they're located in the course content. So if they're in the week's material, it'll be here. That's the only thing that's due. It's the only thing that I have graded, so no worries there. Also, be sure to keep looking at your APA research. That's a tab that's been open, and we'll have more information to come on that. But you want to start researching what you want your paper and your presentation to be about. It could be about anything in healthcare. So if there's something that interests you, even related to dental hygiene, I'm looking forward to reading your material. And if you look up, something that interests you to start, I think that's going to be helpful. And we'll talk about how to research in future chapters. But if you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. Appreciate all the work so far, and I'm looking forward to continuing the semester with you.